Hey guys, welcome back to New World Carpentry Solutions, and in the spirit of using scrap wood to make more French cleat holders, this one is probably one of my favorites though. I took inspiration from a bunch of different YouTube videos and kind of just compiled a bunch of different holders into one. This one's going to hold rags, paper towel rolls, it's going to hold gloves on the side, it's going to hold a bunch of my glue, then it's also going to have a bunch of dowels. They're going to hold several rolls of tape. So this is kind of just going to be like a catch-all holder that's going to hold pretty much all my consumables. I can throw nails and stuff over there if I wanted to. It's going to pretty much be a whole little cubby shelf that I'm going to store glue in, but if I decide to put something else in there, I can. And also on the face of the holder that's going to hold all the rags, I decided to use some more of the leftover pegboard that I had. So if I want to, I can hang, pliers or whatever else all on the face of this all in one holder pretty much. Again, because it's French cleated, I can also, once I eventually get the rest of my walls lined inside the shop, I can move it pretty much anywhere inside the shop. I'm also making it fairly flat, so I can also, just stick it flat on my table. So this holder, again, is going to be pretty awesome because I can take it to wherever I'm working on the workbench or leave it hanging on the wall. But again, the assembly for this one, I'm trying to keep it pretty simple. More 1/2-inch plywood. For the backing though, funny enough, I had some paneling that I left over from another client that I did, and I had like a 4x4 sheet. So a few of these next holders are probably going to utilize a little bit of that. Just, it looks pretty on the backdrop, instead of just, some 1/2-inch OSB or something, I have some paneling with stripes and stuff. So aesthetically, it's more pleasing. I also am trying to make sure that I use the same plywood on the outside to kind of give it the same aesthetic on the outside, so when I sand it or if I do ever stain in any of this, it'll still look the same. But I don't think I'm ever going to go that far with most of these holders. I can tell you it's about 2 months later and I have done nothing else. This one does have a few more intricacies though, as far as the dividers and the setup in there. You see the space in the middle, that's where I'm going to store all the rags. The space on the left hand side is where the gloves are going to go. I actually cut out a little hole in the section right there with my jigsaw, then clean it up with the router so I can actually stick my hand in. I plan to store 4 boxes of the nitrile gloves. I made it a little oversized so I can kind of put different size boxes in there in the future. But essentially now this holder is kind of coming together. Oh, my second favorite thing is how I did the roll for the paper towels. They're just a couple of 1/2-inch strips of plywood that are in the L shape. So the dowel just going to slide up and out. So if I ever need to replace the dowel, replace the roll, I can. But it rolls. It's in a little channel. I didn't have to cut any dados or drill any holes. Works pretty good. But yeah, if you guys have enjoyed, let me know down in the comments. Leave me a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm loving it. Peace.